So I am Pino Sabia from the Institute of Science and Technology for Sustainable Energy and Mobility, Naples. I belong to the CNR, and very recently I have become a senior researcher. Yeah, in a few words, I'm working on mild combustion processes, both from experimental point of view and numerical point of view. So I care also about chemical kinetics, about renewable fuel. And very recently I started with a very challenging new technology that is non-thermal plasma, applied to mild combustion to control molecular reactivity and at the same time pollutant emissions. Yes, as I told, I am now a senior researcher, so I belong to, let's say, consolidated combustion science and technology. So this course actually is very challenging because it combines the old school with the new school, and there are many things to see, to understand. Machine learning, artificial intelligence is the future, so for me this is a real chance to understand what the young generation can do much better than me, but I have to know, so this is a real chance for me to get inside these topics. Yes, going back to the first question, I'm working on mild and I'm working on non-thermal plasma. This is a new topic for me, so of course collaboration would be very interesting to make the progress of the technology very fast. For instance, one thing that is really missing is the numerical part of non-thermal plasma system. So it's like I can provide for data in several systems, but modeling takes time. They do not have benchmark tools. So people that develop numerical tools could help me to interpret my data, and of course the collaboration would be very strong because we have experimental data from one side. From the other side, we need to very reliable tools to understand what is going on in a very complex system that is mild, that is a novel combustion concept, to mix with another novel combustion concept that is non-thermal plasma. Yeah, I would like that I have many books that I like, but for this interview I guess that one of the best is The Journey to the Center of the Earth. Why? It's very simple, because there is a theory. Volcanoes are connected through tunnels. So Professor Lindenberg, his nephew Axel and guide, they go to Iceland. They discover the entrance, and then the adventure goes through many fantastic things, mushroom tree, forests, new animals, new species. And they are able to get out, they exit from the Stromboli. But to do this journey, they needed a professor, so a researcher. Knowledge is fundamental. And what is very nice in this book is that they are able to exit because they collaborate. Professor has science, the guide has knowledge. So to some extent it's a metaphor of what is life, science life for us. We need knowledge, we need expertise, and we need a lot of collaboration because now times are very fast. This is a very nice question. I like it because when I started to work on mild combustion, I was doing some experiment in model reactors, and I was having a look to the chemistry of methane. Everybody can say, okay, methane is a very known molecule, but if you move to mild combustion condition, the chemistry completely changes. In fact, I was trying to do some experiment, and I got oscillation, instability, never seen before in the scientific literature. So I like that everything is very serendipity. You want to study something, but there is always a new knowledge and new stuff to discover. So this is very intriguing, exciting from my point of view.